Hello friends, here we will discuss about what is the flipped classroom concept. In traditional classroom, information transmission happens in class, that is, teacher teaches the concept to the students. In this, students take notes in the class and listening to the content delivered by teacher. Assignments or exercises are solved by students out of the class. Therefore, low-order thinking such as basic concepts, definitions, explaining concepts are done in class, and high-order thinking such as problem solving, assignment completion, solutions for complex problems are done out of the class. Limitations of traditional classroom are: in traditional classroom, students are more focused in taking or writing notes than understanding concept. Less interaction happens between peers and instructor and students, which results in passive learning. In classroom, we will find each student has different learning style and capacity than other. Some students understand the concept in one session and few require more revision and explanation. For instructors, there is a fixed time frame for content delivery, which is not sufficient for discussion on problems and to solve students' doubt. Active learning is learning style in which students are engaged in activities such as reading, writing, discussions, or problem solving. These kinds of activities help to enhance student learning and understanding of the concept. This promotes analysis, synthesis, and evaluation of class content. Some of the approaches will incorporate active learning in classroom are cooperative learning, problem-based learning, flipped classroom, and use of case methods in simulations. Flipped classroom is active learning strategy. Flipped classroom is reverse of traditional classroom. In traditional classroom, information transmission is in class and students solve assignments, problems, exercise outside the class. In flipped classroom, content delivery or information transmission is happen outside the class with the help of video lecture or other means such as notes, books, and in the class, problem solving, exercise solving, discussion on content topic, quiz, activities conducted to explore the content. This helps students to actively participate in learning. Also, with this learning, students can apply the knowledge to implement application or solve problems. The reason for moving the information transmission to outside the class is that with the help of technology it is easy to capture this information transmission, and we can let students work on the lower cognitive levels such as what is a definition of something, explain how something else works, explain process of some other system. All those level of concepts can be worked on by looking at information transmission, and the higher order concepts or higher level cognitive levels, they can be dealt within the class, which is where the students have the difficulty. So what is flipped classroom? Just to recap, flipped classroom is one way to ensure that class time is spent in assimilation rather than information transmission. So here we can pause the video for a minute and write down the key difference between the traditional classroom method and flipped classroom strategy. So the instructor typically finds or creates a video on the topic and student watches this video before coming to the class, and then the class time is spent in activities and discussions. So this is the important part of flipped classroom model, where the class time is spent in activities and discussions. Thank you.